We're now going to complete our first function, add constant, where we add a single number to each of the values in the array. So let's flip over here. We're going to be editing myArray.py. So the first thing we'll do is delete this pass, and we're going to get the array and get the constant. So we need to add it to each one, that constant. We can actually use a list comprehension here. So I'm going to write the list or the for loop part first. For val in array, it's going to loop through the array. Then the expression will just be val plus constant like this. So it's going to add that constant to each val and return a new list. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this. And now it says failures equal 8. So we know we got that right. Now, if you want to test this now inside of the Jupyter Notebook, you can start testing it over here. Say import my array like this, and we need to create an array. I know we've done before, but let's just create another one quickly like that. So here's our array. We can do myArray.add constant. So add constant just means a single number. That's why I use that for the function name. Let's add 99 to each one, and we can see that it does in fact work. Okay, good. So we can test it both. This is like the true test over here using the unit test, and we can also just test it sort of casually over here or really manually over here by calling the function. All right, so that is it for add constant.